Hello everybody, getting ready to do Math 6 Quarter 1 Invoice. Let's go over how your course will be invoiced here, parents and students. Math 6 Quarter 1 classwork, homework sheets, quizzes, tests, and corrections for tests and homework, by the way. And you get a pacing guide here. And you have to schedule your diagnostic test, which is free. Email me for that. It'll be done on Scribbler or Explain Everything. Or text me 760-812-7403 for your diagnostic test reservation. Or you can RSVP to Animated PowerPoint Math Video at AOL.com to schedule a seat as well for your pretest. And this student here wanted weeks 4, 5, and 9, PowerPoint and video. You can get them in PowerPoint or video versions. They get their password for Google Classroom, and they paid using PayPal $150 for 3 weeks, $50 a week of tutoring. To our syllabus, and we'll start out here with week 1. We have integers, and then we get into comparing and ordering integers for week 1. Week 2, more integers, absolute value. We finish up with absolute value. And then week 3, we go into greatest common factor, and then least common multiple for week 3. Week 4, classifying rational numbers, different kinds of rationals, and then identifying opposites and absolutes as well. Opposite values and then absolute values of integers. In week 5, we comparing and ordering rational numbers, so we can order and compare different kinds of rational numbers. Week 6, applying GCF and LCM, greatest common factor, least common multiples, more of that. And then we start into dividing fractions. Week 7, dividing fractions, dividing mixed numbers. And then week 8, we get into solving multi-step fractions and mixed numbers as well. We get into equations of fractions and mixed numbers for week 8. And then week 9, rules of exponents. We kind of jump here a little, and -0 exponents. And then factors, fractions, and exponents. We'll finish up there for week 9. And then here's our quizzing and testing schedule. Our pretest will be an integer pretest given usually the first class on week 1, and then we have a quiz as well for week 1. Will be an integer quiz. Week 2, comparing and ordering integers for week 2, a quiz. Week 3, absolute value quiz, and then get into greatest common factor quiz for week 3. Week 4, least common multiple. We get into a quiz for that. And then maybe we'll get into 3.1, classifying rational numbers quiz, and this is could be a pretest quiz as well for classifying rational numbers. And then week 5, classifying rational numbers quiz, and then identifying opposites and absolutes quiz, week 5. Week 6, comparing and ordering rational numbers, and then Math 6, Unit 1, mixed review. We'll go ahead and cover everything that we've covered up through week 6 so far in as a test. And then week 7, we have applying greatest common factors, least common multiples. And then week 8, we go into dividing fractions quiz, and then dividing mixed numbers quiz for week 8. And then week 9, finishing up the quarter with solving multi-step fractions, and then factors, fractions, exponents, mid-chapter quiz. We'll use that as well as our final assessment. And that's your quarter 1 grade 6 math syllabus and testing quiz schedule. Animated PowerPoint Math Video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.